Okay, now he or she is about 4.5 weeks old, and the little tiny one that was in there must have died or something. Or he might could escape through the net and got eat, I don't know. And they scattered a bunch of eggs. I'm going to include a clip. Well, I'll include it right here. This will be in the video you're watching now. Look at all those eggs on the bottom. I got my little turkey baster and got some of them out, but I don't want to keep that many. And if they're really white looking, they're not fertilized. If they're clear looking, then they're fertilized. That's a lot of eggs, and they're still at it. And so I got some of those eggs and put in this net, but this little baby might be big enough to eat them. I don't know. Anyway, I ain't worried enough about it to set up 10-gallon oil. I just don't want to deal with all that. But let me unzoom. You can't really. Yeah, it likes to go down in that little bowl. And that I put a lot of the eggs in there. Of course, the force of the water. I tried to do it gently, you know, but I'm using that baster, so it might have washed them on out of it. They might just be stuck to that net and stuff, unless the baby fish eat them. But anyway, and I know I need to scrape my tank. It looks terrible. I don't know if you can see, but to tell a male from a female, on their gills there's a bunch of little white dots if they're a male. And I had 2 males with her, and so I took one of them back and got this one, and then it ended up with the dots. So yeah, they run her ragged. But anyway, there's an update on the baby. Now I'll update again soon, and we'll see if any of these eggs do any good. Bye, y'all.